In the context of spiritual evolution, especially within frameworks like the Law of One or similar esoteric teachings, sixth density is said to represent a state of consciousness where love, fourth density, and wisdom, fifth density, are fully integrated into a harmonious balance. This balance is not only a personal realization, but a functional and evolutionary necessity before advancing to the seventh density, unity with the Creator. Here are examples that reflect this balance in practical or metaphorical terms. 1. Service without attachment, compassion plus discernment. A being in sixth density helps others out of deep, unconditional love, but does so with clear wisdom about timing, consent, and karmic implications. Example: a sixth density being may choose not to intervene in someone's suffering if that suffering serves a vital learning experience. Their love motivates the desire to help, but their wisdom sees the soul-level necessity of the experience. 2. Guidance without control. True guidance respects free will. Sixth density consciousness would assist others by offering opportunities, not by directing their choices. Example: they might seed insights, dreams, or synchronicities, instead of giving direct instructions, allowing the seeker to reach understanding through their own agency. 3. Forgiveness with boundaries. They understand the unity of all and forgive completely, but also know when to maintain energetic boundaries to avoid enabling harm or imbalance. Example: they may unconditionally forgive a being who causes harm, but still choose to avoid further entanglement with that entity to honor both their paths. 4. Sacrifice that respects the whole. Love may push one to sacrifice for others. Wisdom reminds the being to consider the larger picture, avoiding self-depletion or karmic imbalance. Example: a sixth density being may refrain from sacrificing itself in a dramatic gesture if doing so would create dependence or prevent growth in others. 5. The healing mirror. Rather than fixing others, they act as mirrors, allowing others to see themselves clearly, a balanced approach of heart, love, and mind, wisdom. Example: they listen deeply with empathy, yet offer a wise reflection that gently exposes distortions or illusions without judgment. 6. Service to all, not just some. Love might want to serve a particular group, example, those that are suffering, but wisdom sees that all beings, even those causing harm, are fragments of the Creator in evolution. Example: they work to uplift the whole system, helping both victims and perpetrators to evolve, seeing beyond duality. 7. Balancing polarity itself. Sixth density beings, especially those on the positive polarity, begin the process of reconciling duality entirely, seeing both service to self and service to others as ultimately part of the Creator's plan. Example: rather than resisting negative entities, they may engage them with love and clarity, assisting in their transformation without falling into fear or judgment. So those are 7 steps to become the higher self. 1. Service without attachment, compassion plus discernment. 2. Guidance without control. 3. Forgiveness with boundaries. 4. Sacrifice that respects the whole. 5. The healing mirror. 6. Service to all, not just some. 7. Balancing polarity itself. God bless all beings. Namaste.